Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Pisces, first of all, a very happy new year to all of you. I hope this year brings lots of happiness, growth and good memories for you, lots of blessings for you. And today I'm going to do this reading for the month of January 2022. Please keep in mind that this is a timeless and general reading, so take only what resonates with you. And if you feel drawn to the title of any other reading, check out those messages also, as there might be some guidance for you. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we have the Sun, we have the Four of Cups, we have the Moon, we have the Lovers, I'll take this card, Five of Pentacles, and the Judgment. Okay, so lots of major arcanas for you. I think this month is going to be very spiritually inclined, I would say, and there's going to be lots of happiness and lots of good opportunities that are coming towards you. First of all, I think there's going to be proposals, new opportunities, commitments that are going to come towards you. Some of you are definitely recognizing your hidden talents and you will be working on them. Some of you are not really appreciating for how much capable you are, for what you bring to the table. I mean, you have a lot to offer, but you don't recognize that. But now I think because of the presence of the Sun, I think now all those hidden talents and gifts of yours, your natural abilities, and this will come to the surface. Okay, if there's any kind of discontent, if things that are being offered to you, if you're feeling so dissatisfied, look within. There are things that you still have to heal, I would say, because the opportunities that are being offered to you are divinely guided. They are coming as a blessing for you. Okay, so do not be so resistant towards them. And I think you will have to make a choice between whether you want to keep thinking all the negative scenarios, or you just want to take a plunge and take some risks and see what life has to offer. Okay, so some of you are definitely being hesitant, some of you are definitely comparing the new opportunities that are showing up on your door. Based on your past experiences, you're judging them. I think it's time for you to be stay neutral and see all those opportunities for what they are. Okay, don't be so focused on the consequences as of now. Okay, there are some endings that are happening right now, and it's for the good. So some sort of transformation is going on. Some of you are definitely doing some shadow work also, and now you're coming to the light. So all that dullness and dark night of the soul kind of period is getting over now, and you can actually see the light at the end of the tunnel. So I mean, there's more positivity, there's more abundance that's waiting for you. It's just a matter of time. Okay, so keep going, keep moving forward. Do not be so resistant, and take opportunities that are being shown towards you. Okay, you can take your time in exploring those opportunities. That's completely fine, but don't just full on neglect them. Okay, now let me see some oracle cards for you. I'll take the first card. Community. Are you dealing with an Aquarius also? Because this card also showed up in the Aquarius reading. Check out that reading. There might be some similar messages for you. Okay, and if you're cross watching for a Pisces, I think you should look Aquarius reading also. Okay. Yeah, I definitely think that. Now let me see. One card from the Moonology. Your dreams need a practical plan. I can see that. The very little bit of earth element is available here, and that too is the energy of lack. So, you have to work. Even if you're going through the commitment, you take it slow. Practicality also means taking it slow, and exploring each level step by step, okay, not rushing the process. So take it slow, explore your opportunities, and see where it leads you. Okay, there's so much that you have to learn through these opportunities also. Okay, so yeah, beautiful energy for you. And Pisces, if you have any questions in your mind and you want some answers for that, please think about that question, and I'm going to pull out one card as a general guidance for you. You also have to use your own discernment, as this is a general reading, so it may not resonate with every single person. Okay, so this card is shown up. Improving health. Yeah, I was channeling this in your energy actually. Improving health. Keep yourself hydrated. Okay, go on some detox diets also. Include more of juices in your diet, fruits and vegetables, that kind of diet. And yeah, moon meditations will also be very good for you. Okay, then one final card for you as the general love advice. Okay, so this card has shown up, and we have past. Through the power of love, you release any stagnant situations or energy in order to transform your heart space. What did I say? If you are feeling discontent and if you are judging new situations based on your past experiences, you have to let go of that energy, okay? Because they are the biggest blockages in your own manifestations. All right? So please release them. Whatever new opportunities are coming, give them some time, explore them, and if you don't feel good about it, then let them go. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for you. If you resonated with this reading, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.